how to make money on people per hour as a meditation guide. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where business owners or individuals come in order to look for freelancers like yourself. So for example, if I was a business owner or an individual looking for a meditation guide, I will just come to the platform and here go to the search, enter meditation guide and hit the search button to see all of the freelancers that are doing this skill. So here we have a lot of people that are doing that skill. We have just 3, sorry, and that's very good actually, because it narrows down the odds to picking us more. So and also the platform provides freelancers like yourself and those people with a place where they can showcase their skills in order for business owners or visitors to come and hire them. So if you are a freelancer, you can just come in here, create your profile just like those people, list your skill and list how much you're getting paid per hour, and talk about your skill, your previous expertise and what you can do, and then you can get hired by business owners and you will get paid also. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your profile just like those people to showcase your skill. So let's go back to the main page and go to your top right, click on the freelancer button, and here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer, then sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on the sign up button. For me, I'm going to proceed with the login. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my email, my password, and login. And as you can see in here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you are serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you are a great fit for their needs. So let's apply now. And as you can see in here, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you drop your profile picture, then you proceed to add in your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can go with your skill, which is meditation guide. Then you proceed to type in your skills, and as you can see in here, the maximum amount of skills you can enter is 15, so make sure to use those spots wisely. So here, let's start with meditation, and there is nothing found about that, no matches found. Let's go with guide. There we have users guide writing, style guide development, let's go with meditate, nothing about that as well. So if you can't find your skill in here, you can just go to can't find a skill, contact us to add it, and here you can enter the skill that you're looking for example, meditation guide, then click on submit. And as you can see, thanks for submitting a new skill, we will review it soon. So after they review it, you can be able to add it in here. After that, you proceed to your description. So in this part, you describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to do that, in order to create a decent description for your profile, what I recommend to do personally is using ChatGPT first, and also using or checking the other freelancers in your that are doing the same skill like yours, checking their profiles, seeing their descriptions, how are they talking about their skill, how are they describing it, how much they getting paid from it, in order to enter or to choose an hourly rate as well, in order to not make a high hourly rate, and allow as well to make an hourly rate that is balanced, and for the description as well. So let's go to search for or to check the other ones descriptions. So here you can just enter meditation guide and click on the search. Record your guided meditation or sleep story. Record your guided meditation voice over up to 500 words. Write a 1,000-word guided meditation or mindfulness session. Let's check this one first to see his description. So his name is Gary M, voiceover talent, and he's got one sale. And here let's check his description. So he has a very long description. My career has been built by selling with integrity and collaborating with others to create the best outcome for their personal and corporate brands. It is my goal to give voice to your vision. If you need a professional VO or voiceover talent with a passion for getting the job done right the first time, let me be your voice. I'm a full-time professional voiceover actor and I would love to record your project. My specialty is creating high-quality voiceovers that engage your audience. All my voiceover recordings are done in my high-quality recording studio. It's very important to me that provide 100% customer satisfaction with the job I perform for you. I work hard with professionals, individuals, or businesses who have a clear vision of their finished product to be sure that I deliver what you are looking for. I specialize in narration, corporate, industrial, whiteboard, explainer, and product videos. Authentic is a word that comes to clients' minds when describing my voice. Conversational or guy next door are others. I work relatively quick and always make sure the client is satisfied with their production. I'm also happy to provide an audition, reading your words. If you would like to send me part of your script, please feel free to contact me first for orders over 1,000 words, a custom quote, and or availability. You want to work with a professional, not only someone who can complete your job, but someone who knows how to communicate clearly in a timely manner and who can hear and address your vision for the project. So this is a very good description. You can take it as your inspiration. And I think you get the idea, guys, of how you can create your profile. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.